Christmas bells.
Hi stylers, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today we are at Bashco and it's been 1 year since I've been to Bashco, so let's head on inside and check out what they have in store for the Christmas. If you're new here, I am Renee. I share all things home related, so I hope you enjoy this vlog.
Don't care what it costs, I'm leaving no name uncrossed. I got a list.
So them have pot now for $3,000. Let me see. This is our casserole pot. No, $3,000. And them have saucepan, them have rice pot. 2.8, 3.2. I gotta check out them homeware. Use some napkin holder, $9.80 for one. Use our Farmhouse Caddy organizer, $1,500. Oh, these would have been great for fall. Yeah, now they have pumpkin spice cups and stuff. And I have these over here for like $270 and $220.
You see, the discounts and sales are as big as a whale. I'm gonna need a truck for all this stuff.
Oh, oh, oh.
Bells ring ring, swinging my shopping bag, singing. Oh, ring ring the Christmas bells, ring ring. I don't know how much I spent on this bling bling. Ring ring the Christmas bells, ring ring, swinging my shopping bag, singing. Oh, Christmas, it's what I'm starting to hear. The whispers reaching my ears of warm intentions. Oh, Christmas, we'll burn the coziest fire while wrapping love that's disguised as pretty presents. Everyone I know deserves a little bit of love. Every face I've seen through the see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, the ground is fashionably green, but I imagine a scene with snowy sleigh rides. Oh, Christmas, let's take our kindness inside and test it out for a ride and love each other. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, even when it's not always clear. Now's the time to see the good and try to rise above petty things that compromise our cheer. Oh, Christmas, we'll take that plain old green tree, color it beautifully like a makeover. Oh, Christmas, the word that's out on the street is that the season's complete when hearts are open. Everyone out there deserves a little bit of love, tenderness and smiles so sincere. Now's the time to reach out and to brighten someone's day. The magic of the holidays is here. at your window, baby, where the snow is falling down. There's a thick white blanket covering all of this town. Everyone is inside, they're getting ready to eat. By the table, I keep one empty seat. For you're not here, what can I do? It's another Christmas time without you. I wanna hold you so close, never ever let go. We'll go walking and play around in the snow. We'll watch the sun go down, and then the moon appear. We'll eat mince pies and drink red wine and beer. Then we'll cuddle closer like we just love to do. Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you. Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you. I ask Father Christmas now for just one little thing. It's something only angels can bring. To see you walk on in here now, through that creaky old door. I couldn't want for anything more. It would stop me feeling sad, hurting and blue. Oh baby, I wanna spend Christmas time with you. Christmas time with you. I want Christmas time with you. My Christmas should be with you. It's the end of the year. Everywhere on TV, couples and Christmas trees, gift wrapping and cheer. Just the worst time to be without someone special. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, snowflakes in my hair, carols playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights, red bow in my hair, sleigh bells in the air. The only thing I'm missing is you. Stockings on fireplace, but in my living room, a single one with my name, knit sweaters and lace. Dressed up alone on the couch during cold winter days. In all the movies they're kissing in the snow, holding hands and mittens, baking together at home. Not like the movies when I'm walking in the snow, cold hands and mittens, eating gingerbread home alone. rainbows playing in the air. I dream of December nights, kissing under bright lights. Red bow in my hair, sleigh